Okay. Did we just get a hookup?
Nice.
It's a secret. Nice. Secret.
No.
Let me turn this off. It's a secret, guys. Okay, nice. Okay. Found myself at an anytime gym. 24/7.
I know you can only come once.
Once or what?
One day.
One day or what?
一回のみ。
一回のみ。
One time?
払っても一回のみ。
I'm trying to get my workout on. What does she mean?
Even if you pay for it, you can only come once.
Once or what? Ever?
Yes, you have to be a member.
So this is my only time I can come? Only time?
今日だけですか？
Yes. 今日だ
メンバーにならないとできない。
So I can't come next week and do it
け。1ヶ
again?
月だけの会員参加。1ヶ月とか。
どのくらいかかりますか
1ヶ月だったらその日、例えば日割り今日から
いくらですか？If you will become
This is the gym. Anytime Fitness. Gym raid. They're saying I can only come once, so I'm gonna pay about 1,080 yen just to be able to come into the gym today.
14このここからここまで OK、ここからここまで OK、
I wish I understood what she was saying.
When are we coming back?
Hindi ko alam.
これ
No,これ
これBecause if you're gonna come again, you can be a member from 13. You can choose to be a member from 13 to the 30th and pay this. So when are we coming back from the Philippines?
Nah, we won't. It's not gonna be enough.
Yes.
It's
When
not-
are we
it's not
gonna
worth
be
it.
back? You can no longer come back.
Forever?
No, you can, but you need to be a member.
すぐ帰る。
What kind
Next time
of crazy rules is this?
何日いるここに何日
ここに
I don't
今日
know.
と
そうそう
来週の2日間ぐらい。
で計3日
I
一週間ぐらい。
really wish I understood what was going on. I just want to get swole.
行くから。
All this just to work out in Japan. So many rules.
フィリピンに行きます。
フィリピン3日だけ日本にいる
は
What did she say?
い。一緒にこちらに行きたいから。
OK じゃあ本当ならばワンデー1回のみ
One day.
OK
Okay?
大丈夫
Did we just get a hookup?
内緒
Nice. It's a secret. Nice. Secret. Let me turn this off. It's a secret, guys. Okay, nice.
いくら
Okay.
です
Ish.
か
Yeah,
1080円かける3でいきましょう3000円高いな
I only like hookups, so I guess she's hooking me up, even though I don't know what she's saying. But hey. All right, that's good.
You can come here for 3 days.
3 days.
3 days now and then 2 more.
Okay.
For 2,160. 3日間。
3日間 OK
はい、ありがとうございました。はいはい。ナッシュ。ナッシュ？How do you say? ナッシュ。
Secret.
Secret. 内緒。
内緒 OK
I got the hookup. Thank you. ありがとうございました。
で
See, even in Japan, you
私たち
can
がい
get
る
the
時し
hookup.
か
It's wonderful.
使えないので夜とかは来れないそこだけ気をつけてもらって
わかります。you can only come here when the staff is here.
Her?
スタッフのみ
When the
Which-
staff
Oh, when people are here. Okay, now
10
when no
10
one's
時から19時
Juku.
19時
はい
Nine?
7
7 what?
up to 10 to 7.
10 to 7. Okay, I don't know. I'm just trying to learn as much as anyone else.
Okay.
We're learning Japanese today.
頭痛くなりました。
More yen.
まずはじめに1回分だけ。
あ、一回分だ。次の、
どうしようかな。さっきもらっとこうかな。でややこしく、もしかしたら2回しか来ないかもしれなくなるから、もう1日1日1日でもらってた方がいいと。
それ、まずそれ。
Okay.
はい、わかりました。
Okay.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
助かりました。
お疲れ様でした。
No.
Hey, she's working hard for me, so she deserves that. Alright. This gym is pretty sufficient for my needs. I don't see any free weights, but it has cables, wires, the basics. Whatever it takes to get a nice pump, I can work with that. I'm sorry, my translator isn't here right now, so I won't understand anything you're saying, but we can work it out. So what's the problem? At the sign? Sign. Hi. I can do that. See, your ego is good.
Okay.
Ego. Sign. Hi. This is my signature. Whoop. Easy.
Okay.
Done.
20円。
No, that's my change. Wonderful. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. All right. See, your ego is good. Do you? Ego. Yours is good. Hi. Your ego good. Yes. Do you want to go to America one day?
全然わからへん。なんて言って
America. Never? No?
インスタグラム OK。
We're done. Instagram? Hi. All right. Arigato. All right, here I am, still at the Anytime Fitness, back with another treat. Here goes a wonderful Toto Japanese toilet, where it has a little sink above it, and it has many different ways to flush. Where if you flush it that way, that means that it's just for peeing, and if you flush it this way, then it's for solids. Then it has a proximity sensor right here. So if this was up, as soon as you walk into the door, the toilet it has a washlet which automatically sprays some type of cleansing agent which will clean the toilet before you even sit down on it. So it's freaking crazy. This is Japan. This is how they do it in Japan. This is serious. Then, other than you being able to flush there or wash your hands there, you can also flush here in many different ways. I think it even has music. You can wash your butt with a wonderful hot spring, or just a little sprinkle, or a little jet spring. Many different ways for you to wash your booty. And then we have an eco flush, and then we have mid solids, and then heavy solids. All different ways for you to flush in an economical way. And as we know, that's pretty progressive. Japan, you win in the war of the toilets. Signing off for now. Here I am for a little bit of dinner. Still here in Higashiosaka. And gonna see if I can get a little bit of ramen today. I think we have to kind of wait outside before we're able to go in. This place is kind of small. So I will see if I can invade. But we'll see. Oh, they have a couple of tables. Konbanwa. Alright. 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 What type of ramen do they have here? Arigato.
おすすめは何ですか？
一応天然ラーメンがスタンダードで
ああ。辛いのはありませんか？
辛いやつ
あ、これあり、大丈夫？
大丈夫です
辛いですか？
If I can only read Japanese.
This is
What is that?
何と読むんですか？これ。
天竜
天竜ラーメン。
天竜ラーメン
Do you like this?
I don't know what it is yet.
This is what
What is it?
best seller.
Best seller. What is it made
Most
of?
order. What 何が入ってありますか？
具材としてはメンマとチャーシューとネギ
Green onions, pork, and then
Pork?
noodles. Yes.
Ah, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. Let's eat that pork. Absolutely.
2つ。
天竜ラーメン2つ
Do you want rice?
What else is on the menu?
餃子ありません。
餃子ございます
これ焼き餃子。
はい1人前で
Dumpling.
Yeah, dumplings is good.
はい。
I will take dumplings.
餃子1人前はい
チャーハン。
ございます
チャーハン。はい。小さいな。
チャーハンの小で
はい。以上です。
以上でありがとうございます
Arigato.
I ordered small rice.
Small rice. I'm very interested to see how they make their food.
I don't know if they will allow you to.
I don't know. I think it's time to invade. What do you think? No? Let's see. Alright, got the chicken. Got our waiter there. Look at that. It's nice. Wow. Oishi, oishi. Chicken. Nice. Alright. Arigato. That's my mini invasion. But we were able to see some fresh chicken and some pork.
Do you want karaage
What is that?
chicken?
Yeah, let's go with that. Anything is good. I'm with it.
Are you gonna eat everything?
Hey, I forgot my wallet, remember?
Okay. You can have chicken karaage.
Chicken karaage. What does that mean, karaage?
Fried chicken.
Let's go with it. I haven't eaten in a while. We worked out. We got swole.
It wasn't enough.
It wasn't enough. I should have drank more water.
Because you wanted to eat.
Yeah.
You need to go home. You needed to go home.
I need fuel. I'm sorry. I'm a growing boy.
I told you to eat.
Yes, you're right. Call this right here. Hi. What is this name? Oh, so これは何ですか？
これはラーメンです
天竜なん
天竜ラーメン
天竜ラーメン
Tendu ramen.
ありがとう
Tendu
ござい
ramen.
ます
And what do you call it? Dumplings?
餃子
Gyoza. Hi.
はいあり
Gyoza.
がとうございます
All right, so we have some ramen and some gyoza, which is dumplings. So we're gonna eat this and we're gonna see how good it tastes. Is this all we ordered? Oh, we got some chicken coming up. Wonderful. Here it is. What do we call this?
Karaage.
Karaage. Chahan, which is fried rice essentially. Chahan. We have the noodles, the dumplings, the other noodles. All right, let's go ahead and bless this food. Let's bless it. Heavenly Father, Lord, bless the hands up and prepare this food. Thank you for allowing them to make this food for us. Thank you for allowing us to have the provisions for this food, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray. All right, let's go ahead and dig in. Oh, wow. I'm still not very good at these chopsticks, but we'll try our best. Well, I'll try my best. Dumplings. What kind of sauce is this? Is it soy sauce?
Soy sauce. Soy sauce base. Soy based sauce.
Hot. Oishi. Alright. Arigatou gozaimasu. Alright. Good. Oishi desu. I can say Japanese food is really light. It doesn't have a lot of grease. As you can see, most people here are very thin. It's because of the way they make their food and the way they eat. I want to be like them. I need to stay thin because I've been on a little bit of this weight. But other than that, food is good, really light, not a lot of grease. Let's try a little bit of this chahan. Rice. Really good. So I'm gonna put this on pause while I eat and enjoy this great meal. I'll be back. Here I am, the final stop of the night in the Japanese grocery store looking for a proper bento meal before my trip to the Philippines early in the morning tomorrow. Wonderful bentos, which just means box meal. With tofu, chicken, rice, pretty much everything I ate already today, all in one small package. Scrumptious. As you can see, the price is 298 yen, roughly a little bit over $2.60 almost. It's good prices. All right, this last stop of the night. All right. For any subscribers or anyone that's watching, please suggest, or if you have any comments about the type of food that you would like me to eat or even show in the Philippines, I would definitely make it a mission to go get it. So currently in Japan, my time is running out. So Philippines is up next, so let me know. You want me to get lechon? Halo? I don't know. Let me know, and I'll get it. Signing off. Till tomorrow. Konbanwa! Alright, I got my bento meal and a drink. Alright. How are you doing tonight? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ah, ego hanemasu ka? Hi. It was good, very nice. Keep up the great work today. Otsukaresama desu ka? Hi. Yes. Alright, this was the last stop. Just had to show a little love to Higashio. Bye. Alright. Alright, signing off from Higashiosaka, Japan.